Hi, so today I want to talk to you guys about Node.js. What is the Node.js? How this is very effective. I am coding in Node.js from last 8 years. Okay, and before that I was using PHP, and right now I am using more Node.js, less PHP, and mild Python to do my projects. Uh, and so let's talk about Node.js. I know there are already a lot of videos out there. What is Node.js? How to use it? How not to use it? But um, but we will talk about how to use Node.js in a professional way. Why it is very separate um, than any other programming languages or any other tools that we use to run our servers, why it is very effective, and how does it make our life easier. So, if you are a beginner, okay, um, you you will start your journey as a software engineer also or a web developer. Uh, as a web developer, like you will use HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. Since you are already using JavaScript to manipulate the DOM, like uh, writing plain JavaScript to manipulate the DOM using libraries like jQuery, Bootstrap, and any multiple plugins to do this. That's how I got into the JavaScript world. Mm, Uh, Node.js make it very easy to understand the logic uh, to run our backend very effectively, very cost effectively. Actually, it's a cross-platform languages, meaning that you can find the build of Node.js. You can run Node.js any platform like uh, Windows, Linux, macOS, any architecture, any it's very effective. So uh, that's how I got it. So there are very smart folks. So let's talk about. So let me write a program to you how it is very. So let me write main.js. Okay. Let's say you want to say hello world. Okay, like this is how a lot of we go into the do the programming language when we write it. So we want to say like hello world. So we will do something called, okay. Then we will do like we will do it this hello world Node.js. Basically run this, and you will be able to see. So this is how we will write it. I will teach you guys how to do the advanced stuff in Node.js, like clustering, multi-threading operations, asynchronous input IOs, and pretty much you can do anything in using JavaScript, both for front end and back end part. and you can also write hooks uh, uh, in any programming languages. They are called add-ons. Like you want to do some kind of things in Node.js, you can do this by this way. So yeah, stay tuned, and I will be providing all the guides how to do this in a very effective way. Thank you.